Hello, good morning to my lovely beautiful flowers of Gurukul English Medium School. Hope you all are absolutely fine and doing your studies well. Welcome back in my EVS1 class. Children, do you remember in previous lesson we had learnt about parts of our body and sensory organs. And today we are going to learn an interesting topic. So, let's begin lesson number 17, Pearly Teeth, Healthy Body. Children, here I want to ask a question. Do we just swallow the food we eat? No. Right answer. Students, if you do not chew your food properly, your digestive system would be able to break it down. You would have a bad stomach pain. So students, we eat food to live and grow. Food provides us nutrients like vitamins and proteins. Food is very important for us. We bite and chew our food when we eat to make it smaller and easier for us to swallow, and also it is easy to digest. Children, you know that babies are born with no teeth at all, right? But around 6 months old, they start getting the teeth. And when the baby is 3 years old, it will have 20 teeth. And students, these teeth that we get when we are babies are called milk teeth. So that 20 teeth which we got at the age of 3, we call them milk teeth or a baby teeth also. Have you understood, students? Okay. Students, milk teeth start falling when we are 7 or 8 years old. Now, what happened when we are the age of 7 or 8 years old? Our milk teeth start falling one by one. And after our milk teeth falls off, we get new teeth in the same place once again. And these new teeth are called permanent teeth. And these teeth are very strong. But when these permanent teeth fall down, we do not get any new teeth. So children, we have to take care of these permanent teeth, because if this teeth falls off in the same place, we are not going to get the new teeth again. Don't you think several of your friends or classmates must have lost their teeth? Maybe you have also lost some, isn't it? At that time, you have trouble while eating and talking, right? Good. Students, here my next question is, what do we chew with? Give me the answer. Yes, you are right. We use our teeth to chew the food we eat. When we chew the food, it is easy for us to swallow it. Teeth help to make the food smaller in size and make it easy to swallow. And it is easy to digest also. Students, our teeth should be white in color, and the teeth in the mouth are not of the same size or shape. Most of the teeth that we have are of different shapes and size. And students, you also know that the teeth are fixed on 2 pink colored gums. And children, what do the gums do? The gums of the teeth help in keeping the teeth in place and to grow, remain healthy like all our body parts grow. The teeth also grow through the gums. Students, in our mouth, the teeth are placed in U shape with the help of gums. When we eat anything, the small pieces of food get stuck in between the teeth. That's why we have to brush our teeth regularly. And if the small pieces of food remain in our mouth, this causes our teeth to rot. This rotting is called decaying. Decaying means tooth decay can lead to cavities which are holes in our teeth. Decaying of teeth is a bad thing to happen. Then we get bad breath. That is, the mouth smells bad. If this happens often, the gums are also affected. They begin to bleed. Children, after eating something, we should wash our mouth, scrub our teeth inside and outside with a finger. Or we should swill plenty of water in our mouth and rinse it well for 4 or 5 times. When these foul substances get into our stomach, it may happen that we can fall sick or stomach might start to pain. Students, when our teeth become decay, the teeth becomes loose and in the end they might even fall out and the gums become shrink. Bad teeth or no teeth will look very bad on our nice face, wouldn't they? Yes. Students, you have also observed that many times old people also do not have teeth. Their gums become weak when they are old. Now it is possible to make denture for the old people. Here, denture means dentist made denture which are false teeth. Students, dentists fit denture into the mouth of old people. Here, the dentist is a doctor of the teeth. Every 6 months, you have to visit dentist. Children, when you wake up in the morning, you should brush your teeth. You must also clean your gums and tongue properly. You should brush your teeth from the inside and outside. You have to brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before going to bed at night. Students, do you know neem or bubble sticks are sometimes used for cleaning teeth, mostly in the villages. Some people buy tooth powder from the market or make it at home. Neem and bubble sticks or homemade tooth powders do not clean well from the gaps between our teeth, and also tooth powder can be rough, while the neem or bubble sticks are hard. They can injure our gums also. Using a brush and toothpaste, we can clean the gaps between the teeth properly. Besides, the foam of the toothpaste helps the particles stuck between the teeth to come loose and get washed away. Students, remember, it is for us to keep our body clean. If we eat with unclean hands, the dirt on the hands goes into our stomach. We can get a stomach upset. So, we must not forget to wash our hands before we begin to eat. Just as it necessary To keep our teeth clean, it is important to keep our sensory organs, hair and nails clean. For that, we must bath every day and we must wash our hair at least once a week. If we don't keep ourselves clean, we may contract different disease. Students, always remember, for good health, it is for us to keep our body clean. My kids, I hope you understood this lesson very well. Complete your writing work and do your studies properly. Now it's time to leave. Meet you soon. Till then, thank you. Goodbye. Love you all. Take care.